Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? Welcome to track 59, and a special thank you today to Olly and Chloe who designed this track. Check this one out, track fans. These guys, they come down, they started doing track. This is what they created. We're gonna race it. Let's go, track 59. We've got the Mercedes AMG ready to roll. And we're off into all the corners around the tight R2, up and over Olly's bridge. Nice work through the crossroads, up the long straights into the drift corner, back through the crossroads into the wiggles. I'm going to have a go at trying to say the corners on the next lap. It's going to be tough because they're so tight and the AMG is fast. Here we go into Chicago Baccarat Bentley and Ahmed. He did it! Go on round the high rise. Let's see if we can get some speed. Whoa, whoa, we've had a derailing. Quick, let's put him back on. And crack on. Trackside, race day, track 59. Loving the drift on that corner. Anyone should be interested in drift, you should check out a YouTuber called Max Drift. What a legend. This guy is drifting for real. Here we go, see if we can get some live drift. Yes, we got a drift. Well done, and we derailed again. The Mercedes, we were so excited by getting drift, everyone. We derailed it. Anyway, let's bring it back to pole. Let's make this our last lap. Round the high rise, up the long straights into drift corner and back onto pole. Thanks ever so much, Olly and Chloe, for today's track. Well done. Track fans, Albert, see you soon.